Coinbase Exchange is one of the best crypto exchange and they always list the altcoin which will be huge in some time. So in this video, I will share an altcoin which will surely be listed on Coinbase Pro in some time, hardly 1 month or maximum 2 months. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us because this altcoin will at least give us 50x from the current position. Basically, if we are going to check out the Coinbase exchange on CoinMarketCap or on CoinGecko, we can see one thing that the exchange, Coinbase exchange, has 100% trust score from every platform like CoinMarketCap from the CoinGecko because it is one of the most finest exchange and number of big traders, especially from the Europe and even from the US, they trust on this exchange, Coinbase exchange. So I hope that if this altcoin will be listed on this exchange soon because at this time the community and also the team is working on it and they are trying their level best to list this altcoin on Coinbase Pro. So definitely the price will increase. Secondly, the volume of this particular altcoin will definitely increase. AXS is the governance token for the Axie Infinity game. The token holders will be able to shape and vote for the direction of the game universe. This is unlike traditional games where all the decisions are made by the game developers. AXS. Right now this token AXS and the entire name of this token is Axie Infinity. They have their own marketplace where you can place some orders for the NFTs and you can purchase the NFTs from there, but I'm not going to share all those things because I'm not a lover of the NFT at all. So AXS holders will be able to stake their tokens to earn more AXS and even vote for the governance proposals. It is also available on the Binance Exchange, DigiFinex, Huobi Global, BeakX and Gate.io. Now, what is happening around the corner? The best part about this token that right now they are planning to list the token on the Coinbase Pro. Right now it is not listed over there. Although AXS is not available to trade, you can add it to your watch list, read news and more with a Coinbase account. If you have account on the Coinbase Pro, then it will be a good pick for you because very soon, as per my own idea, when the token will be listed on the Coinbase Pro, the price of one AXS Axie Infinity token will be around minimum 37 to 38 dollar because I'm talking about 10x, not 50x, but I'm pretty sure that this coin will give us up to 50x because already it reached the mark of $11.88 3 months ago. That was the all-time high of this altcoin, but still the supply is not as much. Once you are going to check out the Etherscan, you can see one thing, that the supply is not as much, and secondly a big drawback is this, that the holders are also not as much because they already changed their contract address and everything. So that was the big issue about the AXS. But very soon, as per my own idea, once the coin is going to be listed on the Coinbase Pro, at that time the price will increase, so you will definitely get some extra benefit if you are going to take the entry in this token. I'm not a financial advisor, and every time invest that money which you afford to lose in crypto because it is a new altcoin, not as much old like Dogecoin, BTC, Ethereum, even XRP. Those all the altcoins are the old ones. This is a new cryptocurrency. They have their the new phenomenon, especially on the NFTs, on the gaming. So overall, the idea behind this token is good, but I'm not saying that you must have to take the entry right now. Just wait, think, and also check out the market and about some news. You at this time you must have to follow them on the Twitter because every day they are sharing number of new things on their Twitter about some AMAs. You have to check the AMAs and also you have to check out the team, that what that team is doing at this time. Now, something more about the Coinbase Pro. A huge news for the crypto market. Secondly, for the exchange. Coinbase approved to enter Japanese cryptocurrency market. What is this? Coinbase is now registered as a cryptocurrency exchange to operate in Japan. The Japanese financial regulator has approved the Coinbase to trade 5 cryptocurrencies. What are those 5 cryptocurrencies? The first one is BTC, the second one is BCH, Ether, XLM and Litecoin. So it means definitely when the market of the Japan will enter in these 5 cryptocurrencies, so at that time, as per my own idea, XLM will definitely go beyond the boundaries. In our next video we will discuss about the XLM features. Secondly, we will also discuss about the price prediction of the XLM. So this coin will be huge because it is undervalued token right now. So if as the team is saying of the Coinbase that the Japan approve the Coinbase Pro to enter and list these 5 altcoins, so that will be good for entire market and also for these 5 altcoins. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share it with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.